The dollar isn't just rising, it's dominating. As U.S. bond yields surge to levels not seen in years, the world is being pulled into a new capital war. And this time, it's not about interest rates alone. It's about global power. Welcome to Global Pulse 360 Live. U.S. Treasury yields have climbed sharply over the past few weeks. The 10-year yield is testing new highs, shaking everything from stocks to currencies. Why? Because the bond market is the heartbeat of global capital flows. Behind this surge are three main forces. Strong U.S. economic data, sticky inflation expectations. A Fed signaling it may stay restrictive longer than expected. When yields jump, the world listens. Rising yields push global investors back into the U.S. dollar. And the dollar is flexing its muscles again. The DXY index is climbing, and emerging market currencies are feeling the pain. This isn't just a chart movement. A strong dollar tightens global liquidity, making it harder for other economies to breathe. Capital is leaving weaker markets, rushing into the US for higher returns. In Asia, currencies like the yen and the won are under heavy pressure. Central banks are intervening, but the market momentum is powerful. In Europe, a stronger dollar means more expensive imports and weaker export competitiveness. For commodity-dependent nations, it's a nightmare. Oil, food, and debt servicing costs all surge when the dollar rises. We've seen this movie before, and it doesn't end quietly. When the dollar gets stronger, it forces the world to adjust. Emerging markets face capital flight. Global trade becomes more expensive. Inflation gets imported, and geopolitical tensions rise as weaker currencies strain national economies. This isn't just about finance, it's about power dynamics. A strong dollar gives the US more leverage on the global stage. And right now, that power is growing. The surge in U.S. bond yields is more than a headline, it's a trigger. It's pulling capital across borders, rewriting trade flows, and reshaping global markets. When the king returns, the world bows. And right now, the king is the dollar. This is Global Pulse 360 Live. Don't wait for the headlines, be ahead of them. Subscribe and stay with us as we track the next wave.